You think control is about power? Wrong. Control is about knowing exactly when to let go and when to build tension that becomes impossible to resist. Curious. Mastering this isn't about guessing, it's about reading every breath, every twitch, every subtle sign, and turning it into a response that feels unstoppable. Most fail because they chase intensity. The secret? Start with calm. Start slow. Focus on the exact spot that triggers involuntary reactions. Layer sensation, layer anticipation, and watch everything intensify. Timing isn't just important, it's everything. And it's never the strongest touch that wins. It's the one that makes the body respond without thinking. If you want to see the exact methods that make this effortless, hit that like button, subscribe, and pay close attention, because missing even one detail changes everything. Exhale sharply. Mind over body is the cornerstone of creating intense, uncontrollable responses. It's not about mechanics or techniques alone. It's about understanding the connection between mental state and physical reaction. When tension, stress, or self-consciousness enters, the body resists, no matter how precise the movements are. Creating the right mindset starts with total comfort, a sense of safety, and emotional openness. Breathing patterns, relaxation, and subtle cues become the guides, allowing the body to respond naturally. Patience is critical. Forcing anything breaks the rhythm, while allowing the mind to surrender sets the stage for an intense release. Every movement, every touch, every pause is amplified when the mind is fully present and focused. Anticipation builds exponentially when attention is on sensation rather than expectation. Reading subtle reactions, understanding timing, and maintaining control over pace means the body can reach responses that feel automatic, almost inevitable. Mastery of mind over body transforms technique from a mechanical process into an art form where response becomes effortless, intense, and natural, and outcomes are determined by awareness and timing rather than brute effort. Understanding pressure points and stimulation is about precision, not random touch. There are areas that, when activated correctly, trigger involuntary reactions, and knowing exactly where and how to apply attention makes all the difference. It's not about strength or speed, but accuracy, angle, and consistency. The key zones respond to subtle, deliberate pressure that builds over time rather than sudden force, and recognizing the body's natural curves and sensitive regions is essential. Every movement should be intentional, with attention to how the muscles react, how breathing changes, and how tension shifts. The stimulation isn't isolated. It works in combination with rhythm, timing, and anticipation. Variations in pressure, depth, and pace create layers of sensation that amplify intensity, while overdoing it can shut down responsiveness entirely. Observing these cues allows for continuous adjustment, turning instinctive reactions into predictable outcomes. Mastery of these points transforms touch into a language of sensation, where the body responds naturally, progressively, and powerfully to the right signals, creating experiences that are beyond simple physical interaction. Pacing and rhythm are everything when it comes to creating deep, uncontrollable responses. Moving too quickly overwhelms, while moving too slowly risks losing connection. So finding the perfect tempo is essential. Each motion builds anticipation, tension, and energy, and the body responds most intensely when every movement feels deliberate and measured. Rhythm isn't just repetition, it's variation, layering different speeds and pressures to keep the body alert and receptive. Timing becomes a conversation without words, where every pause, glide, and stroke communicates control and intent. The brain interprets these cues, amplifying the sensations and making the body more responsive. Consistency creates trust and predictability, while sudden changes create spikes of excitement, intensifying the experience. Observing micro-reactions, breathing, muscle contractions, subtle shifts, allows for real-time adjustments that maintain the optimal flow. Mastering pacing and rhythm transforms technique from a mechanical action into an immersive experience where tension builds naturally, and release comes at the precise moment. making the body respond in ways that feel effortless, inevitable, and deeply satisfying, far beyond what force alone could achieve. Communication and feedback are the invisible guides that turn technique into precision. The body constantly sends signals, changes in breathing, subtle twitches, shifts in tension, or quiet sounds that indicate what is working and what isn't. Paying attention to these cues allows every movement to be adjusted in real time, creating a flow that feels natural rather than forced. It's not about words, it's about observing, listening, and responding instinctively to what the body communicates. Micro reactions reveal when to slow down, when to intensify, and when to hold back, turning guesswork into exact timing. Every subtle indication can guide pressure, angle, and rhythm, creating a feedback loop where every action becomes more effective than the last. Ignoring these signals risks breaking connection and diminishing response, while responding to them builds trust and amplifies intensity. Mastery of communication and feedback ensures that every movement aligns perfectly with the body's needs, allowing anticipation, tension, and release to occur naturally and powerfully, producing results that feel effortless, precise, and profoundly satisfying. Environment and relaxation are the foundation upon which every intense response is built. A tense, distracted, or uncomfortable setting blocks natural reactions, no matter how skilled the technique. Creating an atmosphere that feels safe, private, and free from interruptions allows the body to fully surrender to sensation. Lighting, sound, temperature, and personal comfort all play a role, subtly influencing how receptive the body becomes. Relaxation is equally critical. Muscles must be loose, breathing unforced, and the mind free from pressure or expectation. Tension creates resistance, while calmness amplifies every sensation, making responses more intense and uncontrollable. The process requires patience. Rushing breaks immersion and diminishes effectiveness. Small details like rhythm of touch, pauses, or steady focus interact with the environment, reinforcing comfort and enhancing receptivity. When the body feels secure and unguarded, every movement triggers a stronger, more precise reaction. Mastering environment and relaxation transforms physical technique into a fully immersive experience, allowing natural responses to emerge effortlessly, building intensity, anticipation, and release in a way that feels completely organic and deeply satisfying. Release without force is about understanding that intensity cannot be demanded. It must be invited and guided. Trying to force a reaction interrupts the natural flow of the body, creating tension, resistance, and ultimately shutting down responsiveness. Instead, the focus should be on creating conditions where the body can let go on its own terms. Every movement, every touch, and every shift in rhythm should encourage relaxation, trust, and anticipation, allowing involuntary responses to emerge naturally. Timing and awareness are critical. Knowing when to accelerate, when to hold, and when to pause ensures that energy builds steadily without breaking the flow. Observing subtle signals, breathing, muscle contractions, small movements provides constant feedback on what is effective and what needs adjustment. The body's release is not a result of pressure, but of perfect alignment between stimulation, anticipation, and comfort. Mastery of release without force transforms technique into an intuitive art where the response unfolds naturally, powerfully, and unpredictably, producing experiences that are intense, effortless, and unforgettable. Mastery isn't about force, tricks, or rushing. It's about understanding, patience, and precision. Every response begins in the mind, guided by awareness, trust, and attention to subtle cues. Rhythm, timing, environment, and delicate stimulation work together to create a flow that feels natural and unstoppable. Force has no place. Anticipation, feedback, and gradual buildup are what turn technique into art. When every movement is intentional, every pause meaningful, and every reaction observed, the body responds in ways that feel effortless yet intensely powerful. Success comes from aligning mind, body, and environment, creating conditions where responses emerge on their own, fully amplified and entirely unforgettable. Mastery transforms physical technique into an experience that is as much psychological as it is sensory, where every detail matters and the outcome becomes inevitable, natural, and profoundly satisfying.